Are crutches slowing you down? Toss those crutches and go hands-free. It's a new era. Walk, climb, carry. Get your life back. All the activities you can't do on crutches, you can do on the iWALK crutch. If you have a lower leg injury, now you can stay fully functional during your recovery. iWALK 2.0. Live your life. Before you buy, let's confirm the iWALK 2.0 is right for you. The iWALK works for most people, but not everyone. Let's make sure you meet all the basic requirements. Your injury is below the knee. You have at least average strength and balance. Before your injury, you could walk normally without any mobility limitations. You weigh no more than 275 pounds, and you're not excessively overweight. Your height is between 4 foot 10 inches and 6 foot 6 inches. And finally, you're willing to watch all of our instruction videos before you use your iWALK. These are just the basics. The rest can be found on our website at iWALKFree.com. Understand that everyone adapts to the iWALK at their own rate, which can be between 5 minutes to several hours. If you don't meet the requirements, we're sorry, but it's unlikely that you will be able to adapt to the iWALK 2.0. If you do qualify, get ready to have a fully functional, hands-free recovery with iWALK 2.0. Full information at iWALK-free.com.